The Simplifire Scion fireplace provides the warmth and coziness of a fireplace without the need for gas lines or venting. Luxury shines through with the sleek and modern design, no mesh screens or visible heat vents, a multitude of flame and ember bed lighting themes, and the ability to bring finishing materials right up to the edge of the fireplace for a flush look. Best of all, you can safely place a TV or artwork directly above the fireplace. The Scion is not only designed for style, but also for comfort. The LED accent lighting creates warmth and ambiance, and the flames can be used with or without heat for year-round enjoyment. Plus, it has the convenience of an intuitive multi-function remote with thermostat. Ideal for the bedroom, condominium, or any other place where a gas fireplace can't typically go. The Scion Linear Fireplace by Simplifire really is fire made simple.